So in this lecture we are going to see the derivatives of parametric functions. So derivatives of parametric functions. So what is parametric functions? Now I have written here, now we consider y as a function of x. Y as a function of x. अब तक हमने जितने भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे उसमें y is a function of x. So if we consider y as a function of x, where both x and y are functions of a variable t. Both x and y are again functions of some variable t. So here t is called as a parameter. Here t is called as a parameter. Okay, so third variable आ रहा है. अब तक हमने जितने प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए थे उसमें x और y था. Now from this exercise onwards, here it is a third variable which we call as a parameter. So if x is a function of t and y is also a function of t, okay, g is a function of t, if x is equal to function of t and y is also some another function of t, are differentiable functions of t, then y is differentiable function of x, then y is differentiable function of x, and dy by dx is given by dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? Differentiate y with respect to t. Differentiate y with respect to t. What is dx by dt? Differentiate x with respect to t. As x is a function of t, we will differentiate x with respect to t. As y is a function of t, we will differentiate y with respect to t. Okay, so t is a parameter. Here it can be u भी हो सकता है, t भी हो सकता है, कोई भी वेरिएबल वहाँ पे हो सकता है. So it is called as a parameter. Okay, provided the value of the denominator dx by dt should not be equal to 0. Okay, now we will start with the exercise. So it is a 12th commerce paper 1 differentiation chapter, third chapter. It is a 12th commerce differentiation chapter, exercise 3.5. Okay, so what is question number 1? Find dy by dx if x is equal to a t square and y is equal to 2at. Okay, so if you see here, both x and y are functions of t. Both x and y are functions of t. Okay, so what is this formula? This formula says what is dy by dx? We have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. So we will find that. So what is the solution? So solution is equal to x is equal to a into t square. Okay, so differentiate with respect to, I am writing the short form, differentiate with respect to t. As x is a function of t, differentiate x with respect to t. So what is the derivative? Dx upon dt is equal to derivative of a into t square. So d by dt of a into t square. So it is equal to scalar a scalar taken outside, derivative of t square. Derivative of t square, x raised to n formula, 2 into t. So it is equal to 2at. Okay, so this is your value for dx upon dt. This is your value for dx by dt. Similarly, and what is second function? Y is equal to 2at. Y is equal to 2at. Again differentiate y with respect to t. Differentiate y with respect to t. So what is dy by dt? It is equal to d by dt of 2at. Now what is a? A is a scalar. 2 into a is scalar. 2 into a taken outside. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Okay, so it is 2a. dy by dt is equal to 2a. So by the derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what we have the formula? Parametric functions, what is dy by dx? It is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. Okay, where dx upon dt should not be equal to 0, जो कि 0 नहीं है. So here it is dy by dt. What is dy by dt? 2a divided by dx upon dt is 2at. So 2a get cancelled. Answer is 1 upon t. Answer is 1 upon t. So required dy by dx is equal to 1 upon t. This is a final answer for your problem. Okay. Now we will solve the third problem from question number 1. See, x के लिए हमने यहाँ पे dx by dt निकाल लिया. To y we have taken out, we have find out the dy by dt. dy by dx इज इक्वल टू dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt. y है न्यूमरेटर में, इसलिए यहाँ पे dy by dt यू आर डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, तो डिनोमिनेटर में एक्स के टर्म आ जाएगा. सो dy by dt अपॉन dx by dt, 2a डिवाइडेड बाई 2at, 2a गेट कैंसिल, आंसर इज 1 by t. ओके, नेक्स्ट x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. Okay, we have to find the value for dy by dx. So here I am starting with the solution. So x is equal to e raised to 3t. X is equal to e raised to 3t. So differentiate with respect to t. So what is dx by dt? Hence dx by dt is equal to e raised to 3t. It is the composite function of two function. First function is e raised to x के फॉर्म में आ रहा है और second function is 3t. So it is d by dt of e raised to 3t. So what is the derivative? e raised to 3t का derivative आ जाएगा e raised to 3t into derivative of 3t. As it is not a simple function, again you will multiply by e raised to, derivative of 3t using chain rule. So e raised to 3t into derivative of 3t. 3 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. So this is your value for dx upon dt. 3 into e raised to 3t. 3 into e raised to 3t. Similarly, what is y? And y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. So differentiate with respect to t. So what is dy by dt? It is equal to d by dt of e raised to 4t plus 5. So it is equal to, you are differentiating with respect to t. So e raised to 4t plus 5 into d by dt of 4t plus 5. Okay, as it is a composite function, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into derivative of x. But as it is not a simple function, we have to multiply by derivative of 4t plus 5. So e raised to 4t plus 5 into, see, 4 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1 plus derivative of a scalar is 0. Okay, so the answer is 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5. This is your value for dy by dt. This is your value for dy by dt. Okay, now by derivatives of parametric functions, parametric function में हमेशा एक बात याद रखने का कि both x and y are the functions of third variable. So by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Put the value. What is dy by dt? 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5 divided by dx by dt is 3 into e raised to 3t. So it is equal to 4 by 3 scalar taken outside. 4 by 3 scalar taken outside. If you see here, base is e, here also it is e. So you can write the combined index 4t plus 5. If you take this e in the numerator, it will become 3t will become minus. So minus 3t. So the answer is 4 by 3 into e raised to 4t plus 5 minus 3t. So it is equal to 4 by 3 e raised to 40 minus 3t t plus 5. This is your required dy by dx. This is your required dy by dx. अगर आप यहाँ तक भी रुक जाते हो dy by dx फाइंड आउट करके, अगर आप यहाँ तक रुक जाते हो देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स. ओके, ये आगे का सिंप्लीफिकेशन है प्रॉब्लम का. ये आगे का क्या है? सिंप्लीफिकेशन है. बिकॉज एज इट इज़ गिवन जस्ट फाइंड dy by dx. आप अगर यहाँ पे भी रुक जाते हो देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट question number 2. We will start with question number 2. Find dy by dx if x is equal to u plus 1 by u bracket square and y is equal to 2 raised to u plus 1 by u. So if you see here, both x and y are functions of u. Both x and y are functions of u. जो पहला प्रॉब्लम हमने सॉल्व किया था, both x and y are both x and y were the functions of t. वहाँ पे पैरामीटर क्या था? t था. यहाँ पे पैरामीटर क्या है? u है. ओके, सो हियर आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द सॉल्यूशन. So x is equal to u plus 1 by u bracket square. Okay, now differentiate with respect to u, because function क्या है यहाँ पे, parameter क्या है u, so you will differentiate with respect to u. So dx upon du is equal to d by du. Okay, differentiate with respect to u plus 1 upon u bracket square. So you will apply your first formula for x raised to n. First formula for x raised to n. So it is 2 into u plus 1 by u into derivative of u plus 1 by u. So it is equal to 2 into u plus 1 by u. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u इज 1. ओके, जो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं हम विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एस, वही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज़ होगा. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u इज 1. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन u, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन u इज माइनस ऑफ 1 अपॉन u स्क्वायर, माइनस ऑफ 1 अपॉन u स्क्वायर. So this is your value for dx upon du. This is your value for dx by du. Now what is y, and y is equal to 2 raised to u plus 1 by u. What is y here? Y is given 2 raised to u plus 1 by u. So I have written here y is equal to 2 raised to u plus 1 by u. Now differentiate with respect to u. So what is dy by du? It is equal to d by du of 2 raised to u plus 1 by u. So a raised to x, a raised to x. सी ये एक फॉर्मेट, ये क्या हो गया, फंक्शन हो गया है. ओके, वेरिएबल क्या है यहाँ पे, u है. सो 2 raised to x का जो फॉर्मूला है a raised to x. So what is the derivative of a raised to x? a raised to x into log of a. So we will apply that rule. So it is 2 raised to u plus 1 by u into log of 2 into derivative of u plus 1 by u. As it is not a simple function, we have to multiply by derivative of u plus 1 by u. So it is equal to 2 raised to u plus 1 by u into log of 2. Derivative of u with respect to u is 1 divided by derivative of 1 upon u is 1 upon u square. Okay. So by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is the value of, sorry, not dt, here it is u. So dy by du divided by dx upon du. So what is dy by du? dy by du का वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे, जो हमने निकाला वो यहाँ पे पुट कर दो. 2 raised to u plus 1 by u into log of 2 into 1 minus 1 upon u square. Denominator dx upon du, what it is, 2 into u plus 1 by u into 1 minus 1 upon u square. 1 minus 1 upon u square, 1 minus 1 upon u square get cancelled. So what is remaining? Your answer is 2 raised to u plus 1 by u into log of 2 divided by 2 into u plus 1 upon u. This is your final answer. See, here it is 2 raised to and here it is 2 into. आप जल्दी जल्दी में ये दोनों को कैंसिल मत कर देना. इट इज़ 2 raised to है एंड हियर इट इज़ इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो दिस इज़ योर फाइनल आंसर. ओके, वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. सो हियर इट इज़ गिवन differentiate 5 raised to x with respect to log x. Differentiate 5 raised to x with respect to log x. अब तक हमने क्या देखा था कि differentiate y with respect to x, differentiate first function with respect to second function. So here how you will find the solution. So if you take the first function as u and second as v, if you take the first function as u and second as v, we have to find here value for du upon dv. Differentiate u with respect to v. So here what we will do, so let u is equal to 5 raised to x and v is equal to log of x. Okay, what I have done, take u is equal to 5 raised to x and v is equal to second function log x. Now both u and v are functions of x. Both u and v are functions of x. Means what? U and v are parametric functions. And what is the parameter here? Parameter is x. Okay. Now we will differentiate विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो यू को हम पहले क्या कर देंगे, डिफ्रेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. सो व्हाट इज डी यू बाई डी एक्स, इट इज इक्वल टू ए रेज टू एक्स. So 5 raised to x into log of 5. 5 raised to x into log of 5. Similarly, differentiate v with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to log of x का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 1 upon x. Okay. So by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by, not dy by dx, we have to find differentiate u with respect to v. So du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. And what is du by dx? Du by dx का वैल्यू क्या है, 5 raised to x into log of 5 divided by 1 upon x. ओके. सो इट इज डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर है, डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर, तो वो कहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो हियर इट इज 5 raised to x into log of 5 into x. So the final answer is x into 5 raised to x into log of 5. Differentiate u with respect to v, du by dv. This is your required answer for the given problem. Okay, ये हो गया आपका final answer. Now next problem is question number 3 from same exercise. So it is solve the following. Now ये थोड़ा अलग टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. अलग टाइप के मतलब आपको फाइंड आउट तो सेम ही करना है, डी वाई बाई डी एक्स से फाइंड आउट करना है. पैरामेट्रिक फंक्शंस में ही प्रॉब्लम्स है ये, लेकिन यहाँ पे पहले से डी वाई बाई डी एक्स का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. ओके, जो दोनों के ये और आगे का प्रॉब्लम है उसमें डी वाई बाई डी एक्स ऑलरेडी आपको दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो हियर इट इज, आई एम राइटिंग द सोल्यूशन. So x is equal to a into 1 minus 1 upon t. Okay, and what is y? Y is equal to a into 1 plus 1 upon t. So if you see here, both x and y are functions of t. Both x and y are functions of t. So here t is a parameter. Okay, so we will differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So what is dx by dt, derivative of x. So here a is a scalar. काम करते चलो डेरिवेटिव अप्लाई कर देते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी डेरिवेटिव निकाल सकते हैं लेकिन ठीक है. सी d by dt of, we have applied derivative on both side of the equation. So as a is a scalar, a taken outside, a is a scalar, a taken outside, it is d by dt of 1 minus 1 upon t. So it is equal to a into derivative of a constant, 0 minus derivative of 1 upon t minus of 1 upon t square. So minus of minus will become plus 1 upon t square, plus 1 upon t square. Okay, so what is your derivative? So dx by dt का वैल्यू हो गया आपका a into 1 upon t square, a into 1 upon t square. Okay, now what is y? Y is equal to a into 1 plus 1 by t. Now differentiate with respect to t, differentiate with respect to t. So what is dy by dt? Dy by dt is equal to d by dt of a into 1 plus 1 by t. So here scalar a taken outside, derivative of 1 plus 1 by t. A taken outside, derivative of a constant 0, derivative of 1 by t minus of 1 upon t square. I have given you the formula. Okay, so what is the value for dy by dt then? Dy by dt is equal to a into minus of 1 upon t square. Okay, so by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what we can write, what is dy by dx? We have to find the value for dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is dy by dt? dy by dt is a into minus of 1 upon t square divided by dx by dt a into 1 upon t square. A get cancelled, minus of 1 upon t square divided by 1 upon t square get cancelled. So answer is -1. So here nothing but what is dy by dx, hence dy by dx is equal to dy by dx का वैल्यू क्या मिल गया आपको, -1. हेंस प्रूफ, हेंस प्रूफ, जो आपको प्रूव करने के लिए बोला है और शो दैट करने के लिए बोला है वो प्रूव हो गया. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो इट इज x is equal to t into log of t and y is equal to t raised to t. Then show that dy by dx minus of y is equal to 0. Okay, so it is, I'm starting with the solution. So x is equal to t into log of t. Okay, so differentiate. Now if you see, both x and y are functions of t, so we have to differentiate with respect to t. And again here there are two functions of t which are in multiplication, so we will use here u into v rule. Okay, so it is differentiate with respect to t. So what is dx by t? First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function using u into v rule. So it is t into derivative of log of t 1 upon t plus log of t into derivative of t is 1. So here t get cancelled, so the answer is 1 plus log t. Log t into 1 is log t. So the dx by dt is equal to 1 plus log t. Okay, now what is y? Y is equal to t raised to t. Y is equal to t raised to t. So it is of the type x raised to x, function raised to function. Okay, तो इसके पहले वाले जो हमने एक्सरसाइज देखा था x रेज टू x, फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन के लिए हम क्या करते थे, वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस प्रॉब्लम, वी आर फाइंडिंग द डेरिवेटिव यूजिंग लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन, so we will use that same method here. So take log on both side of the equation, so it is log of y is equal to log of t raised to t. So log of y is equal to t into log of t. ये जो इंडेक्स का t है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. ओके, जो लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शंस के जो फॉर्मूलाज थे जो मैंने वो एक्सरसाइज के लिए बताए थे. सो इट इज़ t इंटू लॉग ऑफ t. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t. सो व्हाट इज़ अ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉग? लॉग का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 1 अपॉन y इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y इज dy by dt. Derivative of log is 1 upon y into derivative of y is dy by dt. Into on RHS there are two functions of t which are in multiplication. So जो multiplication का formula है u into v rule. So it is first function into derivative of log of t plus log of t into derivative of t, first function. Okay, so it is equal to t into derivative of log of t 1 by t plus log of t into derivative of t is 1. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So here t get cancelled. So answer is 1 plus log t. So this is a value for 1 upon y into dy by dt. 1 upon y into dy by dt. But what we require? We require the value for dy by dt. Hence what is dy by dt? dy by dt is equal to, टेक दिस y, जो एल एच एस में y है डिनोमिनेटर में वो आर एच एस में जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो y इंटू 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ t. सो इट इज इक्वल टू, बट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y? y का वैल्यू क्या है? t रेज टू t. y का वैल्यू क्या है? t रेज टू t. सो इट इज इक्वल टू t रेज टू t इंटू 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ t. t रेज टू t इंटू 1 plus log of t. Okay, so this is your value for dy by dt. But what we require to find value for dy by dx. See, we have to prove this expression. Okay, so we will find, so dy by dx. So by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dxy dt, dy by dt divided by dxy dt. But what is dy by dt? We got the value for dy by dt as t raised to t into 1 plus log t, t raised to t into 1 plus log of t. Denominator dx upon dt, what is dx upon dt? 1 plus log of t. So 1 plus log of t. Okay, this is your value for dx by dt. 1 plus log of t, 1 plus log of t get cancelled. So this is your value for dy by dx. Hence dy by dx is equal to t raised to t. Dy by dx is equal to t raised to t. But what is t raised to t? What is t raised to t? If you see this problem, what is t raised to t? It is nothing but y. It is nothing but y. Okay, so hence you can write dy by dx minus of y is equal to 0. Hence dy by dx minus of y is equal to 0. With this problem we have completed the exercise 3.5. okay, which is depends upon the derivatives of parametric functions. Very easy problems. Thank you.